Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Uncle C's iced tea. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 8 family-sized black tea bags, about 1½ cups of sugar, and fresh, cold water. Make sure you also have a large pot for brewing and a 1-gallon pitcher ready for your delicious tea. Now, let's get brewing. Start by bringing 8 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil in your large pot. Once boiling, remove the pot from the heat and immediately add your 8 family-sized black tea bags. Let them steep for at least 15 minutes. This ensures a strong, flavorful tea base. After steeping, carefully remove all the tea bags from the pot. While the tea is still hot, add 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Stir continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. This hot liquid helps the sugar melt perfectly. Then, carefully pour this sweetened tea concentrate into your 1-gallon pitcher. To finish, fill the rest of your 1-gallon pitcher with cold water. Give the entire mixture a good stir to ensure everything is well combined and the sweetness is even throughout. For the best flavor, refrigerate your iced tea for at least 2 hours. Then, pour over ice and enjoy your refreshing Uncle C's iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.